shaking more than it used to. I think it's misfiring or something. If the way the fumes come out of the exhaust, it's like popping. It's sort of like a brapping kind of engine right now. Vacuum leak around here, maybe. That shit is brapping. Yo, alright, so the Prelude's been misfiring and I'm trying to figure it out. And regardless if it is or not, I'm going to replace the spark plugs because I have never replaced it, and I don't know when the last owner replaced it. Same with the spark plug wires and maybe the distributor rotor and cap and the gasket. I'm going to replace those eventually, but right now I only have the spark plugs. The spark plug wires are coming in. I ordered it. Should be in next week or so. But yeah, hopefully these new spark plugs help the car run better and last longer. Let's get to it. So I decided to go with NGK Iridium 9 after doing some research online, checking prices and whatnot. I got these from not Amazon, sorry, from AutoZone, part number 2477. These should fit right with the Prelude, and people are recommending this spark plug, the Iridium, or the Platinum. But the Platinum is like $3 to $4 more, maybe even $5 more, depending on where you buy the Platinum from. But yeah, hopefully these last long. I did read and find out that that on these Hondas, on these older Hondas, the spark plugs will need to be replaced every 30,000 miles anyway, or I think 2 years, whichever comes first. But let's hope these last a while, and maybe it'll improve the car running or the motor running better, because I do have that misfire. This is gonna be first, and then next will be the wires. Hopefully I'll figure out the solution to solving this misfire problem on the Prelude. Yeah, let's get to this installation. Actually, let's take a quick look at the spark plugs. So I hear that you should always inspect the gap, the spark plug gap. I'm gonna use my tool. I think I still have it. Hopefully I do. And I read that you shouldn't put anti-seize on the threads here, specifically for these NGK ones. And I don't have dielectric grease for the top here. Okay, let's also inspect the old spark plugs that are currently in the car. Got the old spark plug out. I hear that the brown marks here aren't too bad. This is the fourth one, by the way. I think cylinders 2 and 3 are the ones that are like really bad, because I pulled out the spark plug wires while the car was running and the idle didn't change. So either the spark plug wires for 2 and 3 or the spark plugs itself on 2 and 3 are bad, or both, who knows. But I'm gonna replace all spark plugs and maybe the wires if well, I will replace the wires as well because I have to wait for it anyway. But yeah, that's the old. Gonna put in the new and hopefully it's fine. I'm gonna check the gap. I have this gap tool, spark plug gap tool. Alright, this is the spark plug from cylinder 3. I don't know about you, but this looks pretty bad. Like, it looks burnt. Maybe that's why that cylinder isn't working properly. I don't know. Hopefully replacing it does the job, but compared to a cylinder that was working, this is from cylinder 4 and it was working fine. It's not as black. See how non-burnt it is? This one is pretty burnt, like drastically different. You can see it from this dark lighting. Got the last spark plug out. Pretty much the socket that I have that doesn't have a magnet, it has like a rubber grommet piece. I honestly had to like tap it down just a bit more for it to like flush in and grip onto it. And as you can see, there's a bit of pieces that was stuck in the well. I think I may have gotten on as well too. So it's not as that rounded, but it gripped on. If it was rounded, the rubber grommet did its job, and I got it out. And this is from cylinder 1. I don't think this is even a. It's getting bad for a spark plug, but I think it was still working fine. So I'm gonna replace the last spark plug with a new NGK Iridium 9 and start the car up, and hopefully the misfiring's gone, or it idles better and runs better. Moment of truth coming up. Nope. This is probably a wire. Still misfiring, I think. Wait, I don't know. I think it's alright. Idle is pretty off and on right now. It warmed up, like it just started warming up, but the idle is hot, going higher. I'm gonna try to rev it. I'm expecting an idle surge very soon. Gonna give it some gas. Yeah, there's the idle surge.